Rivers State Governor Wike don finally cast im vote today for the presidential election after im complain say the BVAS no work well for im polling unit. Governor Wike wey comot with im wife Suzette Eberechi for polling unit 7 ward 9 for Rumenpricon for Obiakpo local government area, but dem no fit vote because the BVAS machine no accredit their PVC. After they don wait for over 2 hours, they come bring new set of BVAS before the governor fit vote, but im wife no still fit vote for the second time as the machine still no gree accredit her. As im come dey talk to Tori people, Governor Wike show say he not happy with the whole thing.
You can imagine the large crowd, meaning that so many people will be disenfranchised, and that could lead to a lot of crisis. I can even still believe that of all the promises made after I've left with my wife for more than 2 hours, yet the BVAS is still not very functional. I don't want to begin to suspect any foul play, but from the reports I've received from other local governments, it does appear to be the same experience. And then you now wonder why should it be peculiar to Rivers State. I don't want to make any suspicion yet, but I don't think it's quite encouraging. Yeah, my people cannot be disenfranchised. You can see we've never had an election where you have this number of crowd. I believe that they will extend the period to 6 p.m. I mean, look at the time now. Voting ought to have started from 8:30 to about 2:30, but we are just starting. So I'm not happy with the preparedness of INEC as regards to the BVAS.
This na the ogbonge news wey TMC TV dey carry come give una. From Rivers State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.